Hello everyone, welcome back to this video, and I'm going to talk about how to fix the date and time is grayed out, being or faded on the lock screen. So this particular issue is happening for many of the users, and we're going to talk about how we can fix this. And the first step is all about we have to do a restart on a verb. So to do a forced restart, you just need the tab over here in the volume up, followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button and this nothing using the Apple logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this over here. Let me press the volume up, followed by volume down, and I have to press and hold the power button. So I'll listen until I see the Apple logo. So most probably after trying with this one, most probably the issue has to be fixed. But even though after this, still if you're having the trouble with this, what you need to do is just do it like this. That you have to try unlock your phone with a passcode, and you can just lock it back once again. And now you have to press and hold like this. Okay. 1 minute. You have to hit this goal. You press and hold like this. Now from here, we'll be getting this option when you press and hold. I'm just need to go over here in the customize option. Now tap over here in the lock screen. And now we just need to tap over here. And as you can see, over here we have to change from this mute to this file. And once afterwards, you have to go over here and the done, and most probably that may also work in some cases. So after trying with both these two, if you're having the issue with all these things, what you need to do is you can try even more step. Let's go reset old settings. For me, when people think reset old settings will be deleting all the data of your iPhone, but you have to keep in mind that it is just going to make its settings to the default, that's all. No data will be erased from your phone. So to make it, how we have to do the reset settings. So to do the reset settings, we have to go over here, the settings over here. Now go to the general. Now from here we have to scroll down. There is an option called transfer or reset by phone, tap on this one. There is an option called reset, and we have to go for the reset all the settings. So once we reset these settings, it'll be like a fresh start 44, but all the settings will be changed to the default, and that's what we have to do. So this possibly can be done. I hope this video is helpful. See you soon. Bye bye.